Hi, boys and girls. We are working on prefixes re and pre. So I want you to open up your activity book to page 8.3, and we're going to take a look at the words on this first page, re. We're going to look at the prefix re, which means to do again. So we see the word here. Read the word with me. Refill. To make something full again. Reload, to put things into a container again. Retell, to report information again. Rename, to label something again. Read each of those words again, please. Excellent. Now on the right-hand side, what we're going to try to do is come up with some words with the re prefix, words that aren't over here on the list. Can you think of any? Think of verbs. So think of actions that you do and put the re prefix at the beginning. For example, build, that's a verb. It's something you do. So I can write rebuild. How about make? If I make something, I could remake it, make it again. How about pack? If I'm packing for a trip, sometimes I have to repack if everything doesn't fit. How about draw? I can redraw something. Can you think of any other words? How about reheat? That was one that we talked about in the other presentation. And see if you can think of some others. So down at the bottom, what you're going to do is you're going to think about what these root words mean, and then think about what they mean with the prefix, and you need to fill in the sentences with the appropriate word. So let's underline the root words. Tell, load, do, view. So you know what all of those words mean. So when you read the sentences, number one, Robert asked if he could blank the program for the concert to see what song would be next. So you need to figure out which word fits best in there. The best way to do that is to use each word in the sentence. Robert asked if he could retell the program for the concert to see what song would be next. Robert asked if he could reload the program. Robert asked if he could redo the program for the concert to see what song would be next. Does he want to do the program again? Robert asked if he could review the program for the concert to see what song would be next. Then you're going to check off whichever word you use. Go to number two. Mom asked me to retell the story of how my little brother fell on the playground. Mom asked me to reload the story of how my little brother fell on the playground. And you're going to do that for each of the sentences. Number four, you're writing your own sentence using the word that's left in the box. So three of the words go in the sentences, and the last word you're going to use in your own sentence. Let's go on to the back of the page, which is the prefix pre, which means before. So read the words with me. Pre-cook, which means to prepare and heat food before. Preset, which means to arrange before. Pre-select, to choose before. Prepay, to give money for something before. Read the words again. And now let's think of some words with the prefix pre. Think of verbs, think of actions we do. How about test? we can pre-test someone or take a pre-test. How about if we mix some ingredients together? We could pre-mix before we start cooking. How about read? Sometimes we pre-read something that we're going to read for real. And how about make? We can pre-make things as well. Now down here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to use each word in the sentence to see which one makes sense. Let's look at the root words. Select, print, heat, pay. So pre-select, pre-print, preheat, prepay. And you have all of those definitions up top except preprint and preheat. But we know what those words mean. And then number 4, you're going to use the one word that's left from the box in your own sentence. Take your time, read out loud to yourself, think, do a great job.